Today we have an excellent Sharkoon case on review, and the model is Pure Steel RGB White Edition. The thing that you notice at first glance is the excellent clean look and extremely good workmanship. Even though the price belongs to the middle or even cheaper class of PC case, Pure Steel leaves the impression of a much more expensive PC case. The price of this great case is $90, and believe me, it is worth every cent. On the back we have to mention a well-designed panel, and behind it there are two SSD slots and 4 slots for the 3.5 HDD or some other combination, because 2.5 inch SSD can be mounted in the 3.5 disk position. Also on the back there is a RGB controller, cables from RGB fans, and other cables from connecting to the motherboard. There is enough space for cables and also for every ATX power supply. From the back we have one RGB fan, as well as 3 more at the bottom of the case. You can control the speed of that fans in the BIOS, or you can control it with the utility. A particular handy accessory is the GPU holder that will do a great job if you're using a larger card. There is also enough space, and it will fit the GPU up to 42 centimeters in the size and any ATX motherboard. The side is made of tempered glass, while on the bottom of the case we have a dust filter that is easy to remove and clean. Our opinion is that this is a great purchase, and it will be probably satisfying for every user. So we have take a few shots where you can see the case in full glory with all the RGB fan lights and everything. And when building we were using an AMD Ryzen 2700 that has a rate cool LED cooler, so the case looks even more attractive. So that's basically it. If you can afford it, buy it, and you'll be very happy with this case. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. It means